what can we expect from the Senate? In case lang po, matapos sa House at iakyat, will you act on it forthwith?
Yes, I will act on it with dispatch.
So SP, you can convene basta may session po. Tama? Convene as impeachment court basta may session.
Basta, pinakamadali is kung may session. Yes, of course, by May 4, if we receive the articles of impeachment, then we will immediately convene as an impeachment court.
Sir, if ever na iyakan.
How are you preparing and how are the senators preparing considering possible po talagang umakyat ng Senate?
Doon, dapat yung muna i-address eh. Possible mong umakyat, aakyat ba? So yun ang isa sa mga pinag-usapan namin. And that's the reason that I hosted a dinner with some of the senators who were interested at kapag-usapan namin yung mga preparations sa Senate. And of course, automatically, we will be able to touch the issue of the possible impeachment na nasa House of Representatives. So, yun ang isa sa mga diniscuss lang. Going back to your question.
Your preparations, SP, kayo and the
Ako,
senators.
personally, in the event that they find probable cause and there are articles of impeachment of any official that is submitted to the Senate, because of my twice experience of being involved in any impeachment in the Senate, meron naman tayong more or less background dito. But then again, as presiding officer, I made sure that I will review the rules of court. I am being helped by a number of lawyers and at the very least 2 justices that are giving me a very good perspective of what to expect. Ang importante kasi is that I brush up on the rules of court so that it may jibe with the impeachment rules and the rules of the Senate because sui generis ang impeachment no? Di naman talaga exactly pwede mo sabihin judiciary ang buong system niya Hindi No, mayroong kombinasyon talaga sa amin sa impeachment. So I'm brushing up on that. You can call it a crash program, but it's continuing. I have started. I'll have another 2 programs next week. Just in case. As I said, just in case. Because at the moment, hindi naman natin masabi kung anong papadala ng House sa amin. At ayokong pakialaman kung ano man ang nangyayari doon to preserve my impartiality.
And it's best that you are prepared.
Yes,
Okay.
prepared for any eventuality.
How hard will the preparation be? SP, I have to ask since hindi po kayo lawyer, SP, and you will be the presiding justice po.
Even though, I don't see that as a problem because the rules of the Senate are involved in the impeachment rules that the Senate has passed before. And if ever we do use it again, yun pa rin yun. And suppletory ang rules of court. That's why I said that mas importante rin na mag-brush up ako dun. I don't see a problem with that. The important thing is that the presiding officer knows what's going on and what will go on.
So, hindi extra hirap for you kahit na hindi kayo lawyer? Kumbaga, hindi extra challenge for
Hindi
you?
naman. Hindi siguro. Review lang.
Sir, did you recommend the same to the other senators na mag-brush up na kayo with rules of court?
Yes. Actually, yes, that was the intent of my, one of the intents, one of the reasons why I hosted a dinner with some of the senators who were available to join us. Most of them, and all of them were in the majority na nakausap ng staff Yeah, yung mga COS naman na pinagsabihan ko kung sino mga available I told them about that. Sabi ko, mas maganda, just in case, umakyat sa atin, mabuti na yung nakahanda tayo, hindi pwedeng mangangapa tayo at mangangapa din ang mga senador. Because there are issues that the presiding officer may throw to the body or there may be an objection from any of the members that we should be able to know how to address these objections
Ilan po nakarating na list?
Majority po.
Ilan po nakarating?
8 or 9.
Dami.
Majority.
Oo nga.
All majority,
Majority.
black members.
Oh yeah, all majority. May mga na-late, dalawa who were coming late, so hindi na tumuloy.
And can we say that majority of the senators are also preparing based on your
I think so.
advice sa kanila?
Yes.
Pero
I'm
napili-
sure they are. I'm sure they are. Para just in case nga. Right now, we don't know. We don't know if pass the articles of impeachment, if they will find probable cause. Right now, tutuusin there is a vacuum. So mahirap magbigay ng komentaryo tungkol dyan except that we have to wait for the decision of the House of Representatives whether they find probable cause.
Pero last time, SP, nagkaroon ng issue dun sa forthwith. What can we expect from the Senate? In case lang po, matapos sa House at iakyat, will you act on it forthwith?
Yes, I will act on it with dispatch. Definitely forthwith. As soon as the Senate receives it, I will inform the Senate and refer it to the Committee on Rules.
Sir,
So sir,
if ever
no need to
na-affect-
define the word forthwith. No need to
I
define.
know what the meaning of forthwith is.
SP, kailangan po bang may session? Sorry, can you walk us through it, SP? Kunwari iakyat siya, kunwari lang naman SP, no? Wala pang session, kailangan po bang maghintay na may session bago mag-start yung impeachment trial?
We have to convene as an impeachment court. So, technically, we may convene, by May 4.
Okay.
May 4 dapat magre-resume na kami. That's just 2 weeks, 2 weeks away. So, we may be able to do that. As a matter of fact, yung mga nakaraang impeachment, ang tagal nga ng mga preparasyon. December yung may
kay Enrile.
inakyat yung
CJ
kay
Corona.
CJ Corona. December inakyat.
January nag-start.
January na nag-start pero ano yun with dispatch ka ginawa doon kasi if I recall it right, December 11 nakarating sa Senate, December 11 pinasa ng House, December 12 nasa Senate, correct, yun. No, baliktad. December 12 House, in-impeach, 188 signatures. And then December 13, transmitted to the Senate. December 14, the Senate convened as an impeachment court.
Okay.
The following day. Kasi in session kami niyan
Yeah.
And then December 15, the following day, Chief Justice Corona received a copy of the complaint. Formal, pinadala kagad namin. And then December 26, the Chief Justice filed his answer to the complaint. And then January 16, the trial began. So there was at least a month preparation for that, no? And I recall, if I'm not mistaken, the Senate President then, Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, and I was Majority Leader, kaya I was private to the actions being taken. We acted like a pre-trial Meron kami the legislative the legal bureau of the Senate, di ba? The Senate Legal Division started preparing parang a pre-trial, no? We asked to
Summons, no?
we asked to the official to submit, and then all the necessary preparations were done.
So the
Pwedeng mangyari yun. Pwedeng ganun kabilis din yun. Pero ito kasi tinamaan ito nung
break.
nung Christmas break.
So SP, you can convene basta may session po. Tama? Convene as impeachment court basta may session.
Basta, pinakamadali is kung may session. Yes, of course, by May 4, if we receive the articles of impeachment, then we will immediately convene as an impeachment court.
Sir, if ever na-iakyat dito yung articles of impeachment, what will happen dun sa na-archive na articles of impeachment?
May iiwan sa archive yun.
Hindi na siya. Bali, wala na sa
Wala na yun. Oo.
Pero paano yung gagawin yung diskarte? Kasi baka tumama rin siya sa budget and iba pa mga bills.
Yung give us a schedule, SP.
Paano yung
Possible schedule.
Baka
Possible
masyadong matagal pa yun. I mean, what are you talking about?
Paano
Budget for
kung-
2027?
Kasi paano yung magiging schedule nyo na may session kayo tapos
Hindi. Okay.
When?
Originally, I was thinking during that parang dinner meeting na or supper meeting namin, I was thinking of a whole day session. Senate in the morning, impeachment court in the afternoon, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, sabi ko, sige, let's discuss it with the other members, include the entire Senate, pati minority. Just in case, no? Again, as I said, there's still a vacuum. We don't know if the articles are coming up, but nevertheless, pinag-uusapan natin to if, okay, if ever. Ang mangyayari, kailangan talaga tuloy pa rin ang Senate, ano? Dahil may session kami hanggang June. Right? Hindi pwedeng pabayaan yung legislative work namin. But then, the suggestion of Senator Lacson was that we do it MWF, ang impeachment.
Friday?
And Tuesdays, Thursdays, ang Senate. So the Senate, if ever, we do agree, all the members agree, no? We need we need the consent of the majority of the members of the Senate. Baka maging 3 p.m. ang sessions because yun ang nakalagay sa rules namin, Tuesdays and Thursdays. 3 p.m. to Sawa. Ano. And then, ang impeachment court, based on the impeachment rules, is 2 p.m. up.
At 2 p.m. not
2 p.m. Yun ang nakalagay sa rules, sa current rules. No?
MWF.
And I doubt if we need to change the rules, ano? It is, in effect, kung tutuusin, wala kami nilagay na sunset provision doon sa impeachment rules ng panahon ni Justice Corona. So, kung tutuusin, we can easily adopt it. And I suggest that we adopt it because malawak na yun. In the rules, it also includes the rules of court as suppletory. So, lahat ng kikailanganin namin sa impeachment ay naroon na sa rules na yun. Even yung pre-trial and whatever recommendation they want. Pinakamaganda is wag na namin galawin. Ito na yung approve namin. Total, ando doon naman yung rules of court. Sapagkat if we change it, magpa-publication na naman. Pag nag-publication yan, May 4 kami magre-resume. Ang adjourned sine die, ang Senate, June 5. Tama ba ako?
Yes,
June 5.
yes, sir. First week. Yes, sir.
June 5. No? Adjourned sine die yun. But the Senate is not the impeachment court. Therefore, we may continue. That is my opinion, and I hope the legal minds of the Senate would agree. No?
As long as nakapag-convene muna kayo
Basta
before the break.
convene kami before the break. I'm sure we will convene before the break if ever the House transmits to us the articles of impeachment.
What if the House transmits the articles of impeachment nang naka-break na kayo ng June? What will happen, SB? Can you still convene as impeachment court even if naka-break kayo ng June?
Ay pag-aaralan ko yan.
We don't know yet.
But I doubt it. Well, they said the last hearing is 29.
So you're expecting by May talaga? papasok?
I'm expecting that they will vote on it in the first week of May.
Pero sir, meron na ba kayo nabubuong timeline? Kung sakaling sa 29 yung tapos nung sa House and then itatransmit dito.
Kung
May
matransmit
pre-trial
ng
pa,
May 4 or May 5.
pre-trial, proper trial.
Pwedeng mayroong ganun eh. Pwedeng i-facilitate namin para yung mga ikangay doon sa pre-trial itself na discussion namin, na presentation, mas mapapacilitate yun eh. Yung stipulations can be already included. Diba? Mas madali yun.
SP, sorry. Balikan ko yung sked. Yung pong sked nung kay CJ Corona kasi hindi MWF yun eh. Pero yung ngayon po ninyo, mag-MWF.
Ano bang ginawa namin doon?
SP Monday to Thursday.
No,
Monday
4
to
days.
Yeah, Monday to Thursday. Tama. Pero 2 p.m.
Monday
onwards.
to Thursday, 2
Oo.
p.m. onwards.
Yeah.
Nagse-session kami.
Umaga. SB.
Sa umaga.
Oo.
Before May 4.
So hindi pa kasi
Siguro the
gustong-
weekend of May, I may call for a caucus para yung ibang mga kasama natin lahat marinig na natin.
Sir SP, pwede niyo bang pag-usapan yung rules on impeachment? Kung hindi kayo nakakonvene as an impeachment court, yung Senate.
Oo, pwede. Because it was the Senate that approved it eh. Yung Committee on Rules ng Senate ang nag-submit nun eh.
Hindi as an impeachment
And
court.
ako yun, di ba? Remember, I was chairman of the Committee on Rules eh.
SP logistical wise, gaano kahaba yung preps kasi may robe na kayo. Pero sir, SP syempre malawakang media coverage ito. Do you think it also will take time? The prosecution team will be here, defense team will be here. You need rooms for it. More reporters will be coming in. Especially it's a VP impeachment. You think it will take time, SP, logistically wise for the preps?
We still have to look into that. Indeed, it will be very a mountainous task. Ano, because of the intent of the public to be able to watch it.
Yes.
Diba? Kung yung mga dating impeachment at saka itong ginagawa natin pagdating sa budget na live streaming and open to everything, it should be open to even the pre-trial should be open to everything. Everything that we do, everything that we discuss must be open to the public.
Pero may inutos na po ba kayong gano'n na to prepare yung mga
Logistics.
Hindi pa naman, pero you know, it's part of the work of the Senate. It's part of the job order. Kaya ang tutuusin, even the Senate legal is empowered to prepare with or without an impeachment. Talagang dapat nakahanda. At kami, dapat talaga nakahanda kami.
SP, this early, sigurado may magsasabi niya. Parang premature yung gagawin ng Senate. You're doing what you're saying now.
We're simply-
Bakit naghahanda?
We're
Bakit-
simply preparing for just in case because it is already there. It is part of the job of the Senate. We're empowered to do so. And the departments involved in the Senate itself are empowered to do so. So we're merely preparing just in case. Para hindi bigla kaming nagulat at bigla kaming ikangay, o paano gagawin? Bigla kami tayo magkukumahog pag biglang nagpadala ng articles of impeachment ang House. Pag hindi nagpadala, well and good. Concentration natin will be on the legislation again. Diba?
Sir,
SP,
sir,
kung
sa
saka-
case ni CJ Corona, tama ba yung sabi niyo po, it took 1 month for the preparation? So, dito
Oh, because of the
May break.
Christmas break.
Yes, break yun.
December 26, nagpadala ng sagot si Chief Justice eh. And then, so break na yun. Pasko na, at the New Year. January 16, nagpupisa yung trial. January, March, April, May. May, 3 months eh.
So, in the
3 months ang inabot yung kay Chief Justice. A little over 3 months.
In the case of VP, sir, if ever i-transmit dito, hindi naman abutin ng 1 month yung preparation.
Mahirap ang speculate. Silang, depende sa prosecution, depende sa defense, depende sa ipapresent nila sa amin.
Pero sir, bali convene muna kayo bago yung pre-trial or baliktad?
Oo, hindi.
Convene
Convene muna kami.
muna.
Oo, convene
Kasi
muna
nangyari
kami.
kay Senator Cheese nun, di ba parang nag-pre-trial muna?
Naging issue, di ba?
SP.
Pwede bang
Oo.
mag-desisyon ng Senate ng hindi impeachment court?
Yun.
Oo,
Hindi,
hindi.
kasi ano niya, court.
Kailangan convene muna.
SP,
Kailangan convene muna. Ang sinasabi ko yung sa rules, kung rules ang tinatanong nyo, walang problema. Andiyan dyan yan, inflation eh. Pero yung pre-trial and all actions of the impeachment court, it must be convened as an impeachment court before acting on anything.
nakakita po ba tayo ng komplikasyon once iakyat yung articles of impeachment? Kasi sabi ni Senator King, pinayuhan kayo na some of the members of the minority posibleng questionin na yung pagtakil ng Senate dun sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara, knowing na may mga kaalyado si VP Sara ng mga senador. Are you also preparing for that, for i-challenge ng ilang senators?
Well, definitely, we will have to be very ready for anything. Anything at all, we'll be ready for that. And I actually, I'm not comfortable with what you said, na may mga kaalyado. That is showing partiality. And I would like to think that all 24 senators are impartial and should be and must be impartial.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog, bunyog.